Hey lovelies, and welcome to a brand new video. My name's Yaz, I'm the owner of Skate Don't Hate, and I make roller skate accessories and other kinds of accessories. But I am bringing you a video because I wish I had a video like this when I first started out. Now I do want to add, I would say on the scale of beginner to professional, I am a confident beginner. I can go forward confidently, I can turn, I can stop, all of that kind of stuff. I'm still working on the backwards, it's hard. And I cannot do any kinds of tricks unless you count as falling in style. So just like the title says, I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite pair of roller skates under £100 for beginners in the UK, because I'm in the UK. I got them from a UK shop. They are a UK brand and I have no idea if they're international. I'm going to be as quick as possible explaining, you know, the things that I like, what to look for, that kind of stuff. But I will say I am a slightly bit biased because these are the only pair of skates that I own personally. I'm not sponsored or anything, it's just I don't personally have money to buy loads and loads of pairs of skates like I would love to. But if any company wants to send me some skates and wants me to do a review, I will happily do it, and I'll happily return them if I have to. I just don't mind doing a review on what they are like as a confident beginner. But I have tried on other people's shoes. I have been doing a lot of research about other skate brands, that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's get into this video. So my favourite pair of roller skates are these Rookie Artistic roller skates. Now these are not for like roller derby, anything like that. These are just like general fun skating, exercise skating, dance skating, discos, doing something in your life without having to go into the extremes, that kind of stuff. These are heeled roller skates. These are not the original wheels. This is the original toe stop, and these skates are £90. And you're probably thinking, oh my god, that's like almost £100, because even I was like, oh, skates are so expensive. But you want to remember that you want quality more than anything, because skating can put your life in risk. But if you have bad skating equipment, then you might as well throw your life down the drain. Other brands range between 100 to 500. For example, Moxi roller skates are quite expensive. I would probably say it's mostly because of the brand itself is very popular, but also they do use high quality materials. So, but if you're like me and always on a budget for everything and anything, then these skates are for you. Now, if you haven't seen my original video of me unboxing my first pair of roller skates, then you should definitely check that out, and that would be these roller skates. I have beaten these up. These, I know, different. They only come in white and black. I got white and I painted it in the end. This was about halfway through, and they have never had any breakages or like splitting or any kind like that since I've had them, and they have lasted a very long time. But yeah, these are the original ones. I've painted them. I do custom paintings if you want, and I do refurbish some skates in my shop that have been painted and stuff, so feel free to check that out. Let's talk about these skates in general. So they have a heeled boot with the Rookie mark here. They are vegan, very sturdy. My favourite part about the boot is the fact that it is wide. So I have wide feet, really wide feet. I also have flat feet as well. These fit amazingly, like they are so comfy. If you don't have wide feet, in fact if you have narrow feet, you could still get these. Maybe just like buy some thick socks just in case, and make sure you get the right size. The other thing I would recommend is when you first get these, take the laces out before you try them on. Just take them out completely, put your foot in, then lace it up, because a lot of the time the laces are tightened super tight to keep it in and sucked, you know. So yeah, loosen them before you put them in, because you don't want to be like, I can't put my foot in properly, so I'm just gonna send them back. Don't do that to yourself. We have a really comfy rim here for that bit, that whenever you get a new pair of trainers or heels and you don't wear socks, and then you get that giant blister and blood on the back of your heel, yeah, this helps with that. But I do recommend wearing socks, obviously, that are quite long, so they can go quite comfortably, because these are long kind of boots, if that makes sense. Which is another bonus. I have really bad joints. I fall over all the time when there is no need to. These help support my ankles really well. Obviously I do excess exercises to help strengthen my ankles and stuff, but these give really good support because they're quite stiff, but they are not too stiff that you can easily flex them around your calf, I think it's called. The next thing is the trucks. These are called trucks. Now, a lot of cheap skates will have plastic trucks. Now, there's technically nothing wrong with plastic trucks, however, you do risk them snapping eventually. Terrible. And also, I feel like they're just not as good quality. Whereas these are metal trucks, even with the price being so low. So I highly recommend. I've also found that, so with other shoe companies, you can get trucks and they're not quite on properly, or they're on wonky or slightly to the left or something. That can happen, but it's very rare that it ever happens with rookies, I find. Don't forget to loosen your trucks when you first get them, and your wheels, because that will make the world of a difference. So yes, these have metal trucks, so they are very sturdy and they've mostly always been in the right place. The next things is the wheels that they come with. They did not come with light up wheels. These were ones that I put on. The original wheels that they come with are indoor and outdoor. However, I would say they're more indoor just because they're a harder material, so you can really feel when you go over bumps and stuff, and it doesn't have as much grip. But the wheels that they come with are still good quality wheels. They're not a cheap plastic. I'm not quite sure what plastic they're made out of, but they are strong. That's what I can say. And the bearings they come with are good, decent bearings, but most people change these out because they want to have a smoother ride, and that's normal with most skates. And the laces they come with are really good, like they're decent quality, they're a good length. But you can buy better laces with, you know, extra long, that kind of stuff. Now with all skates there are weight limits. I'm a chunky girl, okay? I would not fit in any skates if we went with the weight limit, okay? So if you're also plus size, don't be afraid of this. I think it's pretty much just like a safety thing for their legal team, kind of. So obviously make your own choice if you want to get skates, even though you're plus size, which so many people say you can, because you can. And these, I am very plus size. These have not broken, they're literally in the same condition. So once you've decided that you want these skates, the other thing you can do is jazz them up. When you get some money in, change the bearings, change the wheels, make it look how you want, buy some protection from my shop, and make a theme. I have themed boxes, roller skate accessories boxes, where you can decorate your skates in a specific theme, and I do custom themed. Just say, just putting it out there. I'm not really sure what else I could say specifically about the skates, because I mean, I'm not really sure what else to say. But if you guys have any questions about these skates or anything, I will try my best to answer. Now, remember, I'm still learning myself, but it is worth an ask, because even someone else might know the answer and comment after as well. So feel free to ask me. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I can have more content like this. And if you are thinking about sending me any roller skates, then visit the link down below to my website, then to emails. Bye!